What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am Brenda G and welcome to a new video. I'm hyper because I just drank a full yerba mate. Is that how you pronounce it? I call it yerba mate, other people call it yerba mate. Anyway, that's not what this video is about.
I should not have drank that before this video.
Anyway, we are doing something I saw
on
TikTok. I'm sure a lot of people have done this. It's the result of boredom from being stuck at home all day. Anyway, we are doing reverse tie-dye, bleach, tie-dye, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're doing today. So, what you will need is bleach, but I'm not using regular bleach. I'm using a toilet bowl cleaner because that's what I have lying around the house, but I saw on TikTok that it still works, so I'm gonna use it. You will just need any regular toilet bowl cleaner that has bleach. All right, step one. You will also need clothes to tie-dye. I grabbed a few from my local thrift store and I will be tie-dyeing some sweatpants, you know, sweatpants. Yes, some sweatpants. That. I have this tank top that I will eventually be cropping like this. And it's best to go with black, that way it could have the biggest effect. I know you could do other colors, but I'm just starting with black at first. And then I found this really cool shirt that I hope doesn't fuck up because I actually like it without the bleach. But it is, I didn't even know it had stuff in the back. It is this, oops, this John Lennon from the Beatles shirt, and it just says John Lennon with a New York shirt, and in the back it says, "You may say I'm a dreamer." Cue that Millie Bobby Brown, "You may say I'm a dreamer.
You may say I'm a dreamer."
Meme, if you don't know what I'm talking about. It says, "You may say I'm a dreamer, but I'm not the only one. I hope someday you will join us and the world will live as one." That's so cute. But that's from Imagine by John Lennon. Yes. So that's why I really like the shirt. So I hope this one doesn't fuck up. But if it does, it will be a pajama shirt. All right. Besides the clothes, you will also need some rubber bands. You don't need this many, but I just have a bunch in case I want to make more. And you will need gloves, which I don't have with me. It's in the bathroom because if you are handling blech, you do not want that to ruin your skin. So protect your skin from the blech. Before we move on to the bathroom, you're gonna wanna scrunch your shirt first. So I'm going to do this one first because it's the one I'm least scared of fucking up. Rip off the tags. All right, this is probably a really awkward angle, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing here. So firstly, you kind of want to do that spiral effect, which includes kind of just pinching where you want the spiral to start and it's kind of slowly scrunching it. I'm just gonna start here in the middle and just kind of start scrunching it and bringing that in. It's kind of hard. Some people use a fork, but I'm just gonna kind of continue that spiral and just kind of bring this in like that. Kind of, it's not that tight. Ugh. I think that's like the best I could do. Kind of like that. And then you want to grab your rubber bands and just kind of section that little thing up feel like this one's not gonna turn out that good. These rubber bands are weird. And we're just gonna kind of section it off like this, kind of make it tight and compact. I'm gonna do one more. Kind of like that. It's not the best, but go ahead and do that with all the rest of your items that if you have more than one. All right, so I have all my pieces already tied up and ready to dye. I'm going to move on to the bathroom, or just, you could do it in the sink, or just do it on the table if you have like something to put everything on, because you do not want to bleach your table. That would be bad. So we're just gonna move on to the bathroom because that's the safest place, and yes. But also I recommend probably doing it in a well-ventilated area because you don't want to breathe in the fumes. I don't have a ventilated bathroom, so I'm just gonna hope I don't die. Maybe wear a face mask. You already have one. Moving on. All right, so I have my clothes in the bathtub, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use my bleach and go ahead and just drench everything, I guess. So you just kind of doing a little bit of all that, just making sure I get it everywhere, not being afraid. And I guess I should might as well wash my bathtub while I'm at it, just making sure I get it everywhere. Not wasting any, just kind of getting it everywhere. And then you want to make sure you do the same on the other side. And if you're going to be handling anything with bleach, you want to make sure you have gloves on. And I will show you that it already starts kind of reacting right away. As you can see, it's already starting to react, like these are turning orange straight away. I will probably just leave those on for about 5 minutes. For the pants, it looks like it needs a little bit more time, so I'll probably leave that on for like 10 minutes before I rinse everything out. All right, so it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start rinsing out as much as possible. So I'm just gonna grab my gloves. I'm just gonna start taking out the rubber bands. I also didn't pre-soak the shirts. I kind of forgot, but it looks like it's gonna be okay if I didn't. Once you have all the rubber bands off, you're gonna go ahead and just rinse them off. I went ahead and popped them into the washer. Right after I rinsed them, I tried my best to rinse it as much as possible. It was a little bit hard, especially with the sweatpants. Those were cotton, so it soaked a lot of the bleach in it. But I just rinsed it as much as possible, but don't worry if it's not perfect because you're gonna throw it in the washer anyway. So I'm just gonna throw it in the washer, probably in a cold setting. Okay, it's about like an hour or two after I washed it, and I'm just about to get them from the dryer. Let's see. Here is the tank top. It actually came out pretty cute. The pants aren't as vibrant as the shirts. It's a little not even, but I still like them. the best. Look how cool this was. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for you guys. It is now nighttime, so excuse the lighting difference, but this is the set that I made. This was the tank top and I cropped it into a crop top. These were the sweats. It didn't show up as much as the top, but I still like it. I think it's really cute. I like a little pajama set, maybe like to go out and run. I don't know if I'll wear it like as an actual outfit, but I think it's like cute if I want to go out to walk the dogs or something. I wish it was like the same tone, but it's like not that big of a deal. And here is my dog wearing a diaper because she's on her period. I will show you the next one, which is my favorite. All right, I swear I have shorts on. This one turned out so good. This is my favorite. I really like how it's kind of like splashing out of John Lennon, and then the back kind of has like that spiral thing going on, and you can still read the words, and the words turn orange. I don't remember what the original color was, but I am loving this one. I'm definitely gonna wear this one all the time, and I am loving how it turned out. This one is definitely my favorite. So for my first time doing this, I think it turned out pretty well. So I'm really excited about how these turned out. As you can see, I am in love with this shirt. Really simple, really easy. I've seen videos that say you have to do it overnight, that it takes hours, but honestly, I just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, not even 10 minutes. And that you need to use bleach and water, but I just used some toilet bowl cleaner that I had at home. So honestly, this was a really fun way to just spice up any t-shirts you have, any black sweats. Next time I'm gonna try non-black items and see what other color it turns out. But yeah, I am super excited about some of my new clothing pieces. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot around, and if you see me wearing this on Instagram, make sure to give it a like. But yeah, this was a very fun little project, and thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something. Maybe this was useful. I hope I help at least one person. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.